How to screenshot on an iPhone 11. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to take screenshot on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open your iPhone 11, just like this. Now to take the screenshot, you need to tap onto your power button and your volume button. You need to tap on both of them together and simply press them down together, just like this. And now you can see the screenshot has been taken. Now do once again, just like this. And now we can see the screenshot is now taken. So keep on reminder that you need to click onto the upper button of your volume, not the down one, and the screenshot will not be taken if you just tap onto the down button of your volume button. So that's it. This is how you can take screenshot on an iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.